Want to know how to find restaurants and cafes and Instagram maps? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it so that you can easily find restaurants and cafes using Instagram maps. For this, you need to have your location enabled, which is optional, but you need to make sure that your friend's location is enabled as well. So you can only see locations if your friend has visited it or has posted a story or post on it. So right here, as you can see, a story is given off right here. So you can just simply select it, and here you can see the story with its place itself, and that's it. So it's simple and easy. Here's how you explore cafes and restaurants using Instagram maps. You need to make sure your friends are online as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.